No, I was just saying that the lawyer for the school district actually, in his letter that he sent me titled Notice Before Suit is Filed, informed me that it was an attempt to collect the debt.
Oh, wonderful. That's lovely.
So it was very interesting.
Debt collector stuff, yeah.
Yeah, it was very interesting to try and understand how the non-payment of property taxes somehow became a debt.
Yeah.
I was questioning him on that too, and he didn't really have much information.
Because some man has to make the claim that you signed, you signed to be bound by him, that you're obliged, you're an obligator.
Yeah.
He's
There's one contract with you. That's what it is. Yes.
They'd have to bring the contract before the court. That way you can settle the contract immediately. If they don't bring the contract before the court, then they file the false claim. They got to bring the note. They don't. That occurs.
And that was another, thing I was thinking about too. I mean, that's almost malicious prosecution if he's going in there with nothing but a couple of pieces of paper to show that I allegedly owe this property tax.
It's a false claim.
Right. He's got no witnesses. He's got nobody with personal first-hand knowledge. He's got nothing but a certified tax roll. Certified by who?
He needs to bring an original note before the court to claim a debt. So that way you could satisfy the debt instantly. And this is what I tell people all the time. It's like, you know what? Tell them to bring the original note before the court. And I say, what? Because I got the cash in my pocket and I want to pay you off.
Oh, that's what I told him. I said, look, I'm not refusing to pay. I got the check right here, man. I just want to know how I became liable for it.
Yeah, just right. How you became an obligate.
Yeah. And
the original note.
That's when he got it off. I suggest you go get an attorney. So, whatever.
He said that to you?
Yeah.
I'll say, well, attorney's going to do no good for whatever court I'm taking. You're taking a common law court, so attorney's going to do no good for me there. So you need to go talk to an attorney and see what I have as a right to bring you into it.
I asked him, why is that? Are you and that attorney going to speak a different language than, English?
He's not going to be. Tell him he needs to go talk. He needs to talk to an attorney and say, what's the power of an attorney in a common law court? And he's going to say they don't have any.
That's just mano and mano, right? Man and man.
That's why they don't bother wasting but a semester. They waste a couple of weeks teaching common law to the law students in law school. The law students don't know anything because they're not allowed to do any of that. They don't waste their time. They think it's cute or quaint. That's right, because they can't practice it.
Well, it's almost a mirror image of what you're talking about, Karl, with your mother informing you that employment tax was a voluntary tax, as opposed to 99% of the public is afraid if they don't pay it, if they don't volunteer, they're going to get in trouble. So I'm sure, just like this fellow, if that lawyer's counting on 99% of the public being deaf, dumb, and blind, being afraid that they're going to lose their property, and volunteering to pay the tax.
Well, that's because that's who he deals with 99% of the time.
Because people don't understand that man has a right and the government has a privilege. And everybody heard that about driving licenses is a privilege, not a right. That's right. A driving license is a privilege, not a right, because you applied. You requested a position, a title. Yeah. You requested from somebody superior to you. You never had to do that because you always had that right. But you believed, I should answer to somebody superior than me. And to me, I believe the superior being is a government. So I better submit myself and beg a government because I believe that they're more power or greater or more powerful than me. And if that's what you believe, well, God bless you.